Hey guys, Zach at Edwards. Today we're going to be showing you this 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 LTZ. It was a local trade purchase here originally. We do have a full record of service work on the truck from basically day one. Couple things to note up front with the blocked out emblems, Z71 badging because it does have the Z71 package, ultrasonic front park assist, fog lamps, projector beam, low beam, headlamps. Moving over the side, we got the upgraded Goodyear Duratrack tires, 20-inch alloy wheels. In behind, you might not be able to see on the video, but there is Rancho shocks as well, which are the Z71 upgrade. Power folding mirrors, they are manually telescopic. If you kind of come around to the side, you might be able to see there's a little light. So if you're undocking a trailer or doing anything at night, you can turn that on, it'll light up in behind the truck here. 6-inch GM factory chrome running boards. Moving on to the back. Corner cab steps, grab handles, ultrasonic rear park assist, class 5 hitch, an 7-pin and 4-pin trailer plug, backup camera. It is the LTZ model. And moving over to this side, I didn't point it out on that far side, but it's the same. Down along the bottom, there's kind of a box liner type spray, and that came from factory that protects the lower end of the rocker guard of the truck from rock chips. And so that's kind of throughout. And you, like I said, you won't be able to see it on the video, but it is there. It's kind of neat. Let's poke our heads under the hood, and then we'll finish up with the cab. Okay, so under the hood here, we have the Vortec 6.0 liter V8 engine. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. And as you can tell by the video there, the motor bay is nice and clean. No stains or that sort. And it drives as good as it looks. So let's hop in the cab. We'll show you some more things. Okay, so inside the cab, a couple things I'm going to point out in the driver's seat. Then we'll just do our normal kind of roundabout on the interior here. So the driver's seat and the front passenger seat are full powered with a lumbar control as well. The driver's seat settings are programmable. So that means the driver's mirror, the seat, of course, and then the steering wheel can be set up. And then with the power options on that, you can have driver 1, driver 2. So it can be programmed to the key that whatever key you start it with will go to that seat setting, or when you get out, you can have it go all the way back, so you have a nice easy entry every time, which I really like. And that's a feature of this truck and the LTZs of this year, so it has it. It does have full power features, so locks, windows, and then as I mentioned on the outside, mirrors. And then the child lockout's conveniently located here opposed to individually on the doors. And then standard on most vehicles is the child rear window lockout. Moving over to this console area, we have a wireless charge pad here. Inside, storage. Moving forward, the customer left their booster in the vehicle. So if you have a mobile phone, you can set it here and it will boost your signal, which is kind of nice for people working out where there's poor cell service, or just driving around and you want a stronger signal, you have that. Beside it, we have two 12 volts and then 110 volt power outlet that puts out about 150 watts. Programmable pedals and power adjustable pedals for the seat settings. Traction stability control, rear cargo lights, front and rear park assist, which you point outside, and then because the Z71 package has the hill descent control. Dual zone automatic climate control, heated seats, and then a full touchscreen radio with Bluetooth for the phone and music on the phone, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and then Sirius XM, AM, FM radio, and a CD MP3 player. Text messages can come through on the vehicle, so if you have your phone hooked up and you receive a text, you can actually have it read aloud. And depending on your phone, you can reply either with the vehicle or through your pass-through service on your phone. The last thing on this, the vehicle does have Wi-Fi capabilities, so you can get data or tether a phone as a hotspot, and you can actually download apps. So this particular truck here had the Weather Channel app downloaded, so you can have the Weather Channel information on your radio screen, which is kind of convenient for customers who are going to travel a lot. Moving up to the upper console, we have a power sunroof, sunglass holder, programmable garage door buttons, and then OnStar and an auto dimming rearview mirror. On the steering wheel itself, we have audio controls in behind. We have a driver's information display here, which you may or may not be able to see. Heated steering wheel, and then of course cruise control on the side. 6-speed automatic transmission, we mentioned that under the hood. It does feature the tow haul mode, manual shift, and then great braking with that. Over on my left side, we have a factory trailer brake control, 4-wheel drive, automatic low beam headlamps, and the fog lights are on that same switch. Short of that, the truck has 146,793 kilometers. And if you had any other questions, feel free to hit one of the contact buttons or give us a shout at 403-845-3328.